Well, me there work today, and me say me I come home, come cook. And the carrot dumpling, me make it a long time ago. Me say me will make it, but my wife taste it. Because the last time I make banana dumpling, she say,
Lord man, I saw me skin up my face, so you can't go on so.
So, I make the carrot one now and see how she what she go say. Because we tell you what she say. They have planting, green banana, dash in. So I grate the carrot now. When I finish grating the carrot and making the dumpling, you will see. I find this nice bowl the other day and I say it fit the carrot color. Alright, I'm gonna grate it now. A long time I use grater, you know.
Man, I use the big grater. You rather that?
Don't prefer that one. That one is more neat. That one of the baby.
Okay.
Remember when it's small half a grater coconut, then finger part, yeah? Where's rubber?
What me say hate grater? Jesus. All the coconut? Oh my God, me say hate grater.
Should I use the big grater as well, because the one when you go down front up, it just run smooth because artificial grater this. We used to the other big.
Oh, you mean the artificial grater?
Artificial grater.
You mean they used to the one we have at Jamaica where we use a nail and knock it out and knock out the one?
Look this.
Right now that one knock out?
No, all of them in a line. So when you rub this something so.
Oh, me understand what you say, yeah.
So you see this if you go so I go wrong.
Yeah.
Artificial foolishness. So me now make enough dumpling for your belly full, I make dumpling for your taste.
I hear you.
If carrot can make carrot cake, it must can make carrot dumpling.
A true man, because when you tell me, I say, you know, so that makes sense because if you make cake, you can't make dumpling. And if you put banana in a dumpling, that means, yeah.
I'm going to make a next one for you now, tell you which one.
Alright, sir.
Yeah. 2 cups of flour. One gone. There's another one here. Alright. I hope it not spoil. But we don't spoil flour around here. Second time around. Yeah. We don't measure salt. We just say. Yeah. That's it.
You mind solid flour here?
Right. Well, we mix it in now because the carrot have in water. So we not put no water yet until we combine everything together first. If you go like it.
I mean, I know. Yeah, first me I say I knew. I hear talk about it, but never taste it yet.
There must be a first. When somebody sees somebody and like them, and then they love them. Right?
That's how I'm those. Oh, God.
You know, eat carrot. I'm glad soup you eat carrot and cold. Some know you eat that dumpling.
Love carrot juice. We love carrot cake.
Okay. Let it come together. So we're not put no water yet. So can damp it with little water now. What do you think? Damp it with a little water. Damp your hand. A little water. Yeah. Hear it? To combine. combine, my friend. It's a combine, my friend. Beautiful color. See that?
Just try to make it taste good. That's all I tell you.
Let me try to season it up.
No! You crazy?
Make it taste good. You know what I say? Well, we do it until we get everything together. Yeah. I'm gonna light the stove. I'm going to put in the flour in the pot. You will see when I'm doing it. So stick and stay with me until such time. Alright. Start to make the dumpling for going into the pot. We will roll and press now. Yeah. Roll and press. We can't make pretty dumpling like wife, you know. So dumpling. Yeah. Dumpling finished, final dumpling in a pot. Alright, I'm going to peel potato, dasheen, and banana. Guys, I peel dasheen because I have yam, but I can't cook the yam. Because when I alone, I go partake of the yam, so the Francis no eat yam. I tell me which Jamaican no eat yam.
Me?
Every Jamaican we know go crazy over yam. One wife no eat yam.
Not this Jamaican. People may look something to eat. I'm hungry till me that hurt me.
Can't wait for the pot. Pot now take longer.
Still away from the pot. Just a snack.
Similar people, I get them washed. Give them a little dumpling, a little stir that them no stick. Yeah. And pretty. Love the color. Plantain. Cut up plantain. So wash them first. We're gonna wash plantain. Alright people, all the food are in the pot, so we'll cook up some saltfish with baked bean. People, look at the pot here. The dumpling pretty. Carrot dumpling. Give pot a stir, make you see. Banana cooked too. You know them banana over here hard for cook, so. Yeah. Them say when dumpling float it cook, right?
Me don't know. Me don't know why you love use little bit of pot cook. Look how I pot little bit.
You can't make uncle cook for me and you. We don't expect nobody.
So when me cook, me no cook for me and you.
No.
You cook for the crowd, the whole community.
Yeah. Alright. Saltfish wash off. Seasoning cut up. Being open. So we need some oil into the pot. So we're going to use the original coconut oil. So we're waiting on the oil to act, to saute the seasoning. Dutch pot, you're the real Dutch pot. I turn my wife, every time my wife stir the pot, she says bang bang. So, tomato, sweet pepper, onion, scallion. So if you pick up already, pick up. So you wait for this thing to saute. Alright, we're gonna get in the saltfish now. Smell good, you see? If you just eat same so. Smelling good. Alright, let's try to put some seasoning on it. This way we can talk about now. Little crushed pimento. And when I cook, I don't measure seasoning. I just put seasoning. Little Maggi. Wow, this smells good, baby girl. You're gonna love it. Baked bean in a pot. This will show a steam by my feet with this out. Cover him down, make him go and cook. Alright? You know, say everything done, cook and ready. Lady Francis food this. So it look beautiful. Me I fix her up like when she fixed me up too. Alright? Come lady.
Alright, people, I'm going to taste Mr. Francis carrot dumpling. People, me say I have a piece of headache, you see? I have a piece of headache from their work. It's like me can't shake it. I want to take 2 times and all, but I have to eat something first. And then Mr. Francis take forever in the kitchen, people. You know, sometimes in the kitchen, boof, done. He when say proper cooking, he do proper cooking. So my cooking no proper. Alright, people, let's taste the carrot dumpling. Hope I like it. Look at it, people. You see the orange, you see the carrot in it? Let's see. First, me I taste carrot dumpling. Blow. People, it bad. It bad, people. My God. It bad.
Yeah.
It bad, Francis. It bad. You know we Jamaican say it bad, but it good.
When we say
I know me.
when we say bad, we mean good.
But
When we say
no.
it's wicked, still mean good.
Tastes good, man. My God. Woo. Well done. People, it's a try. First, me I carrot dumpling. Francis said it tastes good enough, people, but me never know. It tastes good.
Now I teach you something.
Well done, Francis. Well done.
Yeah.
Wow. My God. Bad people. Where's I come hungry?
So you say, hungry taste I get.
Dumpling good. People, it's bad. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. Oh my God. Viewers, you guys need to try this. Try it and come and comment and tell me how it tastes.
If them can cook.
No, my God, no man. It's wicked. No, no, Francis. You want a ball?
I think your man handicapped.
Me know you're not handicapped, but boy. Claudine, you gotta try this one. People, when they hear me say it good, it good. And me is not a foodie. You know that, Francis. It's good. Why people decide in that video, I forgot to enjoy that food, yeah. Oh my God. People, we have come to the end of a video because Sharon wants to eat our food. Please, I'm asking to like, share, and subscribe. Please turn on your notifications so you can know when we put up a video. Until next time, the Francis, we are out. Walk good, eat good food, make belly bust. Look at this, people. Wonderful. My God.